Ever wondered where your FavePay cashback actually goes? I mean, it's great to see those numbers climb, right? But where does it vanish to when you hit that checkout button? Does it just disappear into a digital void, never to be seen again? Or is there some secret cashback wonderland we're all missing out on? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. First off, cashback is basically like finding hidden money. It's that extra sprinkle of joy when you realize you're paying less than you thought. With FavePay, it's even better because it's automatic. You spend, you earn. It's like having a tiny financial fairy godmother. But where does this magical cashback land? Well, it's not exactly a physical place. Think of it as digital savings. It's stored securely in your FavePay wallet, ready to be your secret weapon for future shopping sprees. Now, here's the fun part. You can't actually withdraw that cashback as cold, hard cash. It's strictly for in-app use. But don't be disheartened. This is where the real magic happens. Imagine strolling through your favorite online store and your cart is looking a bit fuller than usual. Fear not. Your FavePay cashback is there to swoop in and lighten the load. It's like having a personal discount angel. And it's not just for online shopping. You can use it at your go-to restaurants, cafes, and even for those spontaneous purchases. It's like discovering hidden treasure in your own backyard. But remember, cashback isn't eternal. It has an expiration date. So, keep an eye on those expiry dates and make sure to use it before it vanishes. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on free money. So, the next time you're wondering where your FavePay cashback is disappearing to, remember, it's not lost. It's waiting patiently in your digital wallet, ready to be your shopping sidekick. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving and spending.